What's up everyone, this is Kenny here. So I got myself some new gadgets to film content better. The one that you're watching now is actually my iPhone 11 Pro, and frankly speaking the time has come to upgrade, because I use the phone a lot for videos and all, and sometimes it's very distracting to take the videos and then receive call and WhatsApp. So everything is there. So I needed something that I can film separately and then I can edit back, alright? So I decided that I would prefer to get another camera instead of upgrading my iPhone. Okay? And also I can also use this Rode mic here with my iPhone to do those short videos. You can see those vertical videos, right? The short videos. Those are still going to be shot on my iPhone, and my TikTok affiliate all is going to be used iPhone because I want fast. Anything that I want fast, right? I will still use my iPhone. But having said that, I've chosen to buy this. So today we're going to unbox this. This is the DJI Osmo Action camera, Action 6. DJI Osmo Action 6. So why is it an action camera instead of the Pocket 3? Actually, I have my eyes on the Pocket 3. Okay, but in the end I chose this because the Pocket 3 is not really durable. I heard a lot of people that's giving review, and I watched many reviews, ask users around, that the Pocket 3 is, if you rough it up, it's easy to be broken because of the sensor, okay, the hand. So, and also the Pocket 3 can't go under water, can't get rain. For me, for someone like me, right, who does everything, and sometimes I go out, I bring outdoors, I shoot properties, I shoot forests I shoot parks I should go travel, I go for food reviews. I want something which is versatile, okay? So, and I want something that's durable. I can actually don't have to worry about putting it down slowly. I just okay, just put it there. Like sometimes you just drop it, so this one can take it. So this is the DJI Osmo Action 6. So to go with it, I also chose to take this DJI Mic 3. This DJI Mic 3 is the one that comes with the charging case and also two mics, and two mics and one receiver. Okay, so it's the same setup as my Rode Wireless Pro that you are actually listening to now. Another thing is that this Rode Wireless Pro, right, is actually a very good mic, but it's because of my hardware, my iPhone 11 Pro, they can't support this kind of tech, Both hardware has to go together. So when you upgrade something, right, it's just like upgrading a PC. If you upgrade a motherboard, your processor must be capable of handling that motherboard and vice versa. So that means everything has to go together. So it has come the time, right, where this the technology of the mic, right, already exceed the capability of my phone's hardware. So every time I actually shoot like this on this Rode Wireless Pro, it's not that it's not good, but every time when I shoot, after this I have to go into software post production to enhance the sound. Okay, so I hope with this DJI Mic 3 and also with cover together with the Osmo, I don't have this problem lah. Okay, so let's unbox the Osmo Action 6. I'm gonna use this. So every time I'm unboxing videos, right, use this. It's a Telesin neck holder. You can use any brand. It's a neck holder. And just put your phone here, because I'm still using my phone anyway. So like that, I'm gonna unbox. Okay, let's start. Okay, a lot of wrapping. A lot of bubble wrap. Nice. Look at the box. Wow, it's like holding an iPhone, man. Oh wow. The design also, everything minimalist. The design, everything. Look at this. So there's a seal here. The seal is good. Oh, you're supposed to tear it now. Tear it. Package is like this. Yep. So you get inside this box. There's a camera here. It's only 138 grams if I'm not mistaken. So you have all the accessories. Let's see. This is a camera. This is accessories. Okay. Oh, it comes with the stand as well. So in this box, this is what you're gonna get lah. Okay, so it's a camera. Then there's battery pack, battery case, extension, cable, and that quick release. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 6 items. So let's see about these 6 items. First, this is the camera. So it comes with the inbuilt 50 gig memory. Definitely you need a more memory card if you want. A macro lens, there's a macro lens also. Alright. Nice. Okay, this is the camera first. And this is the stand. So these are all the accessories. So it's supposed to have another 4 more stuff. Huh? Let's have a look. Oh, it's a user manual, DJI store. This is a battery pack. This is the cable. I don't know why this is a screw, I think. Let me check what is it. Check. Locking screw, yeah. It's a locking screw. Oh, this one is for the stand. Two, 4, 6, 8 stuff. Okay. Let's fix the camera. So these are the things inside. Battery pack, cable. This is the handle. The tripod. This is the camera. See, so small, so light. About 113.8 grams. Even my palm, my hands is bigger. Okay. And these 2 screws here. And together with this instruction manual. So you will come with instruction manual. Just follow the instruction manual. I am assembling it now. Of course, first I have to download the app here. This is the DJI Mimo app. Quick start guide. Of course, the first thing you have to upload. You have to download the app first, okay? These are the steps to teach you how to assemble it. This is the adventure combo. So this is the battery pack. So you got 3 batteries here. Okay. So now I'm taking the camera, but it's the lens. Oh, sorry, just have to push this, push up, okay? Open. Yep, there's a desiccant there. Let's get the desiccant out. So the battery is in already. Snap it back. Now it just is on. There you go. This, yep, device name. Now to the settings. The latest DJI Mic 3. Again, the packaging really look like Apple, like holding an iPhone. Fit them here. So inside this box, there will be a receiver, transmitter, tool, so charging case, a pouch, magnet, clip, USB-C data cable, walk-in audio, adapter cable, wind screen times 4, or 4 windscreen, mobile phone adapter. Oh, okay. Can use with smartphone straight away. Okay. Oh, everything's just inside this one pouch here. Easy to carry, nice pouch. Cables. This is the charging case. That's it then. There's nothing inside the pouch. So the reason I get this one with the 2 transmitter, 1 receiver, right? So that I can actually use it with as 2 people speaking at one time. Sometimes, right, I do create content with a guest. It makes it easier. You can actually get the one with just 1 mic and 1 receiver. It's cheaper also. Okay, so this is the mic here. Press, open, nice. Oh, wow, there's a magnet here. So receiver, 2 mics. Alright, so time to pair it up, okay? Then I can use it already. Need to charge for tonight. So one of the biggest reasons also that why I choose to buy an action camera is, one, I'm quite clumsy. So action cameras, right, is very durable. You drop it, you go inside the water, no problem. Second is that I'm using my phone too much already. This is an iPhone 11 Pro that you're watching now. So I use this for video, I use this to edit videos, I use this to shoot short videos, and then sometimes call will come in, then I answer WhatsApp. So there's too many functions. It's easily overheated. Easily overheated. So when it's overheated, the function all slow. It's so hard to get calls. I pick up calls, or calls don't come in, or WhatsApp don't come in, and it's annoying. When I shoot something, then halfway, sometimes when I was shooting video, right, a call will come in. or a call will come in and distract me, a WhatsApp will come in and distract me. Yeah, even though there's a notification like this, but calls straight away appear, right? They will cut off the video. So it's distracting. I want to be able to focus on shooting the video. And whenever I go shoot, I want to just shoot. I don't want to answer any calls. Okay? So moving forward, like this phone here, will, whenever I shoot, I'll put it on a personal or DND mode, do not disturb mode, so that there's no notification, no calls coming in. Okay? And one last thing, I also bought a new mic. I showed you just now the DJI Mic 3, right? Why I bought a new mic is not that this not good. It's not that this Rode Wireless Pro is not good. This is a very good product, very good mic. Okay, like I mentioned, hardware also I need to keep up. But I also learned my lesson. Whenever you buy something, you buy, especially electronics. If you're a real estate agent, you want to buy something in electronics, like it's best you get something within the same ecosystem, same brand. Okay, so it's because it's easier to pair, everything easier. You have the app, you have everything, all the same brand, easier to pair. Compared with something you get different. So I can actually pair my Rode mic with this, but it's tedious. I learned my lesson a lot. So I'm moving forward. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick to one brand and use everything ecosystem. Next part is also the reason why I bought this is because of my friends. My friend Daryl and Dexter, both of them are YouTubers. Okay, so they have their own channel, the foodie channel and also the travel channel. They are using DJI also, so we can actually exchange accessories. We can actually exchange accessories, help each other see whether you got extra or not. So and we can also troubleshoot together. This is something that I didn't have when I'm using Rode. Not to say that it's not good, but Rode troubleshooting is very tough, very hard. So a lot of things that you do manually, learning curve is quite steep. So now I using the DJI, so hopefully everything will be good lah. So moving forward, you'll be seeing me doing videos using this Action 6. I'm now still fiddling with it and trying to learn how to use it. And once I clear all this mess on my table, then we can start lah. Okay? So if you want to take a look at what the DJI Action 6 can do for you, your real estate videos, just check it out. There's many tutorials on here on YouTube, on online. They will show you beautiful real estate videos, and it's durable, and it also can go into water. Imagine you can use this camera to take underwater shots, underwater shots from the pool come up, that kind of shots. And if you are actually starting to learn how to create, right, this one is also good. This one, you just need the mic and pair, and you are done. You can go straight away. Okay. And one thing I like about this Osmo Action 6, the biggest feature I'm looking forward to, and the reason why I bought is because of the custom mode. There's something called a custom mode where you shoot at one angle only, just shoot one, and you can actually edit in landscape and also portrait. So that means you can shoot the house tour just once. Landscape, portrait, no problem. Post-production, no problem. Okay? So this one is something that I'm really looking forward to. That's all for me. This is Kenny here. I'll see you again next video. Hopefully it's the one with the Osmo Action 6. Bye.